Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. The markets have recovered very well, and everything is looking super green at this particular moment. Our favorite cryptocurrencies, Bakeryswap and Pancakeswap, are doing very well. And I think one day ago, right, I told you about the coins that you are supposed to be buying because these have got very good, tremendous opportunities to sort of push and really do very well. So this is one of the reasons, if you followed my advice and if you bought the dip and you did what you had to do, you would be in a lot of profits right now. Well, not really a lot, but I mean, you should be doing very well at this particular moment, especially as far as Bakeryswap is concerned. So anyway, taking a look at the markets, we can see that Bitcoin is back above 42,384, right? And yes, we do understand, and I do agree that we are going to see some lower prices, but before we get to dip further, right, it's not really going to happen that easily. A lot of people are going to get liquidated. There's going to be a lot of people who are going to have an emotional roller coaster, but we are already aware of these market scenarios, and we know how to play the game, and we know how to execute certain trades at a specific period of time. So if you take a look at what has happened the past few hours, we are beginning to see a bullish divergence on the 12-hour time frame, which is absolutely satisfying, and it is comforting, especially for some of us who are in some altcoin trades at this particular moment, because we are beginning to see a little bit of the bulls stepping back in. And one of the glorious moments happened a few hours ago, right, when we witnessed the price of Bitcoin really begin to push towards the upside, especially at 3 a.m. my time, which is obviously 1 a.m. UTC. So this is one of the reasons why I am absolutely going to be hanging on to my trades as far as Bakeryswap is concerned and Pancakeswap is concerned. So a lot of you might be asking, or rather wondering, where the next level is obviously going to be. So I'm obviously expecting us to sort of lose this particular structure, because this is so messy right over here. It's very haphazard, and it's something which needs to be overwritten by some sort of action. It's either we drop towards the downside or we pump towards the upside like that. So I am expecting the prices to sort of push towards the upside. So I am leaning towards the upside, and granted, we have a lot of support here, right, which has obviously weakened, because you guys already are aware of the fact that the more times you hit a particular support level, right, the more you make that particular support level very weak. And at this particular moment, right, let's say for example we end up pushing towards the upside, and wherever we're going to get rejected, the next time we drop below this particular threshold and we try to find the support here, right, best believe we are going to crash and drop below this particular support. But at this particular moment, right, we are able to get away with a few fast trades. And remember what I told you in this particular episode? I told you that I was going to do some very quick trades. So the countdown has begun, and I'm looking forward to sort of taking my profits as soon as possible, as soon as I see some sort of resistance being met, or rather bull exhaustion on the smaller time frame of BTC. So at this particular moment, right, at least I am a little bit comforted, because we are beginning to see the increase in momentum as far as Bitcoin is concerned. So this is one of the reasons why I really believe that we could have some potential upside. I'm looking forward to having a retest of 45,000 to about 46,000 US dollars per BTC, just to see what is going to happen. So I know a lot of you don't really want to hear a lot of words, a lot of you don't really want to hear a lot of probabilities. So if you want to take anything from this particular episode, I am bullish and I'm expecting the prices to do very well, at least in the next 24 to 48 hours. Okay, so I'm going to give you another update as far as the markets are concerned, but at this particular moment I'm leaning towards the bull side, and I would really love to see the price interact with this particular level. If we are not privileged enough to go as high as that particular level, right, even going up to about 43,000 would give us more clarity as far as the markets are concerned. So as far as Bitcoin stands, in the next 24 to 48 hours, we are still Gucci, we are still good to go, so we can play along and find buying opportunities across the board. So basically all the altcoins are absolutely great buys at this particular moment. Personally, I am concentrating on Bakeryswap and Pancakeswap. I'm heavily invested in Bakeryswap because the Bakeryswap token is having like a very good risk to reward ratio. So if you take a look at this particular structure right over here, we are absolutely at the bottom of the range. So even expecting a 30% price pump as far as Bakeryswap is concerned is absolutely going to give us a lot of return on investment. The other metric that we can get to sort of use is we can see that we have been increasing in volume for the past few days, and we are beginning to slightly push up in terms of the trading volume, which is absolutely necessary in order for us to have like that forensic breakout. But otherwise, looking at the 24-hour volume, it is still ridiculously low because it's only about 57.6 million US dollars. If you really want to be safe, right, you need to be trading a coin which is above 500 million US dollars, because that really gives us some more surety, and it is an indication of having bigger players playing in that particular environment. But if you really want to get the biggest, or rather the best trades, right, you have to enter when everybody has abandoned the ship, and when everybody doesn't even want to look at a particular investment. Those are the only situations where you are going to get the biggest and the best returns, because I want to get in during these levels when the prices are absolutely boring, and then we have that spike in interest, and we see gigantic pushes towards the upside. So this usually happens, and sometimes you just have to be very patient. You have to concentrate on the bigger picture and take your time. So such type of reversals are absolutely powerful. So if you look at this particular structure, right, it is the same accumulative structure that we have obviously witnessed in the past 2 months. Because if you take a look at what was happening between 20th July all the way up to around 21st July, right, we came to the initial phase right over here, and we are below the pre-pump area, so which is a very good trade in my opinion. So we'll see, depending on how BTC is going to perform. Granted, today is a Wednesday, right? So we have Thursday, Friday. I'm looking forward to seeing how the prices across the board are going to be performing. But I really believe we are, ripe. We are ready to see some higher prices and just basically getting to witness, absolutely amazing pumps. And this is a great, grand opportunity for us to enter into some very good lucrative type of trades. So if you ask me, just take a look at this chart. Getting in around this particular level is similar to getting in around this particular level before that particular nasty pump. So if I were you, this is a very safe trade. I would put in, I don't know, like as much money as I can in this particular trade, because there's absolutely no risk. And of course, The best trade was entering on this particular doji candle right over here on the 26th of September. So today is the 29th of September. So you are not very late. We still have some more time and some more room to grow. So this is a very good risk to reward ratio. So the worst case scenario is the price going to around $1.46 as far as Bakeryswap is concerned. But I highly doubt, because what usually happens is once you have the swing failure pattern. By the way, this is a swing failure pattern. It is one of those trading hacks that I usually use. Usually when you have like a swing failure pattern, for example here, there's also another swing failure pattern. You've got a doji, then absolute reversal. So here, this is another great, brilliant swing failure pattern, and I can only see the prices going up and high, and at least I am expecting a 30% price increment as soon as possible. So this is a very easy trade to take, and due to the fact that there isn't like a lot of volume, right, as far as Bakeryswap is concerned, that really means that it is going to be easy for us to destroy the liquidity on the Binance platform. So this is absolutely something that you should take a look at, and if you really want to like make a quick flip, you guys already know what to do. Just enter with whatever amount of money that you have, and get in, get out, make your money, rinse and repeat. But looking at the chart and looking at the risk to reward type of ratio, this is a no-brainer. This is absolutely a no-brainer. So moving on to Cake. Cake is also a very good trade as well. Last time, in last episode, I explained why Cake and Bakeryswap is going to end up pumping. It's because people are gravitating towards decentralized exchanges. We initially saw Uniswap do very well, so people are going to be gravitating towards the Binance Smart Chain as well, because Pancakeswap and Bakeryswap represent decentralized exchanges on the Binance Smart Chain. So I see some market players who are adamant fans of the Binance Smart Chain, sort of setting the ball in motion, if I can put it that way. So this usually happens, usually pumps set a precedence, and there's like a trend, there's a chain reaction type of situation. So this is one of the reasons why Pancakeswap is going to do very well. Moreover, Pancakeswap is going to announce its NFT marketplace pretty soon. So if you take a look at this particular chart as well, just like I told you in the previous episode, this is an absolute no-brainer. So Pancakeswap, Bakeryswap are absolutely best, the best, one of the best trades that you can ever take from a risk to reward type of perspective. But personally, I'm leaning towards Bakeryswap. I have invested 90% of my 25% trading portfolio. I know this really sounds confusing, but if you guys have been following my YouTube channel, I explained to you that basically 75% of my overall cryptocurrency net worth is in USD Tether, right? The 25% I'm only using to sort of build my portfolio and just make grocery type of money, and just keep on flexing my trading muscles. So when it comes to that 25% portfolio that I'm using to trade with, right, 90% of that 25% is in Bakeryswap, while the other 10% is in Pancakeswap, because I really believe Bakeryswap is absolutely a no-brainer at this particular market point, because there is a very little line of resistance that we need to cross and go above. So if we are able as the Beyond10x community to break above $1.80, I'm telling you, there's going to be fireworks. I saw the liquidity on Binance there. We don't really have like much resistance, and if you take a look at these pockets of areas of value, I mean, it's really like a no-brainer. Like once we get to cross above $1.91, it's going to be easy peasy. We're easily going to go to $2, and once we cross $2.13, it's very easy to pump towards $2.79. So, you know, go out there, destroy the liquidity on Bakeryswap, and let's make this money. So I'll talk to you a little bit later. Yeah, so today I'm not really going, I wasn't doing a live stream because, you know, I've got like I just want to like switch up the content and see how the performance is going to be, because if you take a look at my you know, live streams, they haven't been performing very well in terms of the numbers in comparison to my subscribers. So instead of having like you know, live streams, let me flip and just record normal videos and see the performance. But I'll be, you know, going back and forth. Perhaps I'm going to be doing live streams at night and then regular videos during the day. So before the price leaves you, before we abandon you on the, you know, ship, you need to do what you gotta do as far as Bakeryswap is concerned before it is too late, because one day ago, right, the price of Bakeryswap was even cheaper. So what was the price of Bakeryswap here? Let's take a look at Bakeryswap. Where are we? Where's Bakeryswap? I need to check out Bakeryswap. Hold on, I'm going home. Okay, it's hard to find Bakeryswap. What's Bakeryswap? What's happening to Bakeryswap, man? Now this video is taking too long. Oh Jesus. Anyhow, the price of Bakeryswap was I don't know, like around $1.57. Yep, $1.57, around that particular level. Yeah, $1.63. So as you can see, at least there's like a little bit of slight improvement. But since BTC dropped, Bakeryswap also slightly corrected it. The correction on Bakeryswap wasn't really that much. It only corrected to about $1.56. So this is one of the reasons why I'm saying a lot of people who were selling Bakeryswap have already left. So we do not have, there's going to be more demand for Bake in comparison to the supply. So at this particular moment, you gotta get in where you fit in. Of course, I am not a financial advisor. Whatever you do, please do your own due diligence, because investing in cryptocurrencies is absolutely risky. So yeah, talk to you a little bit later. It's been your boy Muna, aka Beyond10x. Bye.